Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting hardware. Look for cracks, loose mesh, or trapped debris in the mesh and charging ports. Once done, place both earbuds in the case and charge them at least 30 minutes so LEDs stabilize. This rules out simple power faults. Make sure you have a soft brush, 70% isopropyl, and a reliable cable ready. Now remove visible debris gently and dry connections. These first actions catch most common failures before deeper diagnosis. Next, perform a full factory reset. With earbuds in the case, hold the pairing button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes, which clears firmware glitches. Then, on your phone, forget the device entry and repair from the Bluetooth menu to ensure a clean handshake. Once paired, test each bud separately for audio mic and left/right balance. This isolates failing hardware. If one bud fails, swap charging order and retry to confirm whether case charging. Finish by addressing hardware and software fixes. Clean charging contacts with a cotton swab and 70% isopropyl, gently realign any bent pins, and swap cables to rule out charging faults. Then check for firmware updates in the Huawei app or PC utility and apply them. Updates often fix pairing and audio codec issues. If problems persist after these steps, escalate. Contact Huawei support, use warranty service, or replace the faulty bud or case. Quick troubleshooting tip: intermittent connection often means dirty contacts, reclean and receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.